In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record spending, transactions, bills and payments. QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, recording spending correctly is one of the most important habits to build early on. It helps keep your books organized, gives you a clearer picture of where your money is going, and makes it much easier to review your finances later. The good news is that the process is very simple once you know where to go. To get started, go to the top left corner of QuickBooks Online and click the Create button. This is the main shortcut for adding new records into the system, and it's where you'll begin anytime you want to enter a new financial transaction manually. Once you click it, a menu will open and show you different types of records you can create. From here, select the type of transaction you want to create a record for. This is an important step because QuickBooks organizes different kinds of activity into different forms. For example, you may want to record an invoice, a bill, or a payment, depending on what kind of spending or financial activity you're working with. Choosing the correct transaction type helps make sure the information is categorized properly and appears in the right place in your books and reports. After you choose the transaction type, go ahead and open the form. At this point, you'll enter the details of the transaction. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate. Depending on the form you selected, that may include information such as the date, the amount, the payee or customer, and any other fields QuickBooks asks for. The more accurate your entries are, the easier it will be to track spending, review payment history, and keep your records reliable over time. As you enter the information, it's a good idea to quickly double-check the details before saving. Even a small mistake in the amount, date, or category can affect your reports later, so this quick review can save time down the line. Once everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will then create the record, and that transaction will be added to your account. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your spending or financial transaction in QuickBooks Online. With just a few clicks, you can create a clean, organized record for bills, invoices, and payments, helping you stay on top of your bookkeeping in a simple and efficient way.